What does nearly 2 centuries of Italian boat building produce when Riva targets the open sports cruiser market? I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown of the Riva 58 Capri, specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against Princess, Sunseeker, and Azimut. The 58 Capri ships in two power configurations. Standard is twin MAN V8 1000 diesel engines, 1000 horsepower per engine at 2300 RPM. That delivers 33 knots on top and 27 knots at cruise. Range on the standard setup runs approximately 210 nautical miles. The optional configuration upgrades to twin MAN V8 1200s and 1200 horsepower each at 2300 RPM. Top speed climbs to 37 knots, cruise rises to 31 knots, and range extends further. Both configurations share the same hull, same CE Class A ocean certification, same platform. Overall length is 56 feet 8 inches. Beam is 15 feet 7. The hull is an open deck format built around a fixed hardtop canopy, which is notable at this LOA. Most competitors at this size run a fully open deck or a full flybridge. The fixed canopy gives the Capri offshore weather protection without the structural weight and windage of a flybridge, and it integrates into the hull's silhouette rather than sitting on top of it. The cockpit is modular and configurable. Riva designed it for both performance running and on-water entertaining, and the layout reflects both uses. Below deck, the 58 Capri carries a 3-cabin layout finished in high-end European timber and materials. Riva describes the lower deck as a bright, comfortable living space. Owner's stateroom, guest cabin, and additional sleeping capacity. Full head and bathroom appointments. The full technical spec sheet, including precise head count and berth layout, is expected to follow as the model reaches full market availability. What is confirmed? This is a multi-day overnight platform, not a day boat with a bench seat below. The fixed canopy is the headline engineering decision. It's designed as an integrated structural element. It contributes to hull rigidity, defines the boat's profile, and gives the Capri CE Class A offshore status. CE Class A means it is certified for open ocean use in the most demanding sea states. At this LOA in the open sports cruiser category, that certification is not universal. In the 55 to 60-foot open sports cruiser segment, Princess, Sunseeker, and Azimut are the primary alternatives, all capable performance platforms at competitive price points. The Riva separates on 3 dimensions: design heritage, the fixed canopy format, which none of the direct competitors offer at this length, and the dual MAN engine option structure that lets the buyer tune for range or top-end speed. The 58 Capri is the choice for someone who wants a genuine performance platform and the Italian craftsmanship narrative that comes with a Riva on the stern. Bottom line, the Riva 58 Capri brings Italian craftsmanship, CE Class A offshore capability, and a fixed canopy open format that nothing else in this class offers. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Please comment on what you'd like to see in the next review.